come. Yo! You can do it!
好吃。
昨天剩的隔夜饭，还有一些青椒和香葱。那今天早上呢，我决定教我们的摩托哥做一下我们的蛋炒饭 ，the fried rice. In the Chinese restaurant, do you remember fried rice? Do you know what's this? You don't know? You never seen this one in your life?
I think I don't know for.
You have seen, but you don't know what's this. Really? Called microwave 微波炉。Yes, I teach you, OK？ 大家真的不要觉得不可思议啊！对于木头面来讲，这种房子啊，是他这辈子都不可能住进来的梦想。This is your dream house。其实也是我的 dream house。我觉得这个微波炉啊，在当地应该要卖500，可能500、1000人民币啊。
I think this is expensive.
You see? We put bread inside. 10 to 1. Do you know what happened? Now the food get hit. 3 minutes down, boom, finish. Yes. Buy one for your wife. I'm trying to make money. Work hard, okay? Bing. Open. Take out. You see? This bread. It's soft and hot. 然后我现在在教他把那个葱啊 ，this is 葱，cut to small piece. And this one 青椒 ，you cut like this, OK？
真的是非洲人这个刀啊，都只有这种小刀用。
我下次给你展示一下 What's Chinese knife？ 啪。其实我也不专业啊，有不对的地方啊，大家只要教炒菜少一点水。然后你看啊，天气是不是很冷？它里面的油啊，已经全部冻成了这样的块了。Study 啊，next time I don't cook for you. OK 。我一个老板啊，天天给这个员工做饭。I don't like boss. You like my boss. Now see, rice.
Yes.
饭啊，用油爆香爆纯。然后呢，再加入我们刚刚的鸡蛋啊。鸡蛋要打散一点，尽量让蛋和那个米饭融合在一起。青椒粒，再加上一点点酱油，味精往里倒，
味精往里倒。
再来啊一点点的盐，我们再加点黑胡椒，也是很香的。然后让这个摩托哥啊来感受一下蛋炒饭。Next time you cook for yourself 啊，我不会再给你搞了。然后我觉得我们的蛋炒饭啊应该是好了，看我们所有的饭都已经做好了。OK。好，最后啊，让摩托哥做个摆盘。OK。1, 2, 3。You did it, bro！ 大家看一下啊，我们的蛋炒饭啊就已经整好了啊。为什么我停更了一天啊？是因为我真的花了很多时间啊去制作啊我离开村子的最后一期内容，因为这期内容对我来说特别的重要。啊，刚刚那个房东小姐姐啊跟我讲啊，她想让我教她怎么样使用筷子，然后我就跟她说，那要不晚上我请你吃中国菜吧？所以我决定呢向这个房东小姐姐展示一下什么叫做中国菜。好，我们今天的晚餐呢也都已经准备好了。大家好，我是林先生。Glory。
大家好，我是摩托哥。
然后我们今天就在这个房子里啊，然后来让他尝一下我们的 Chinese food。OK。这次让我们的摩托哥啊来当老师啊，教这个小姐姐怎么样用这个筷子去打 how to use chopstick。你看摩托哥现在已经是一个专业的筷子选手了啊。Sorry, no problem. Yes. Good job. Try. This is beef. 水煮牛肉啊。
Good.
You like beef? Okay. Now second one, this dumpling. 饺子。 You can push. You can push. Oh! Good job. This sauce with sauce， 这个应该是我们的醋或者酱油的那个汁儿啊。Yes. Come eat. No problem. No problem. Wow. But this is pork. You know it. You try. 然后我们今天还有这个梅菜扣肉 ，it's 小炒肉，番茄炒蛋 egg with tomato。And this is chicken cuckoo. This is vegetable. This one. Try. This is pork. 这是我们的梅菜扣肉啊，大家可以看一下这个扣肉。哦 ，come. Yo! You can do it. Good job. He's good. She's good. Yes, good job, boss. I don't know how to say English. In China, it's called 梅菜. Very special Chinese vegetable in China. You see, it's black. It tastes good. You know, this one with rice. It's perfect. Now, this one is pork with chili. In China, we call it 小炒肉. Oh, the Chinese good. Good job. Try. Take one. One with chili, I think it's better. Yes. Try. 墨斗哥只能看着。
This is beef.
No, it's pork. Oh, this one is cuckoo. Cuckoo. You take one, try. 然后这个是我们四川的那个口水鸡啊。Oh, now your chopstick is good.
Good.
Oh, only.
Wow.
You
Yes.
Oh, good.
Whoa.
Oh, yes. 厉害。This one, tomato with egg, is cooked in Chinese way. 上次我跟木头哥有做过这个菜，小姐姐进步很快，就看她拿这个筷子有点别扭。Come, you can do it. Yes. No problem. Try. Yes. With rice together. 我教他你要跟那个米饭一起吃，因为中国的菜大部分都是
Yes.
Yes. 哇。
And the China tomorrow.
Yeah. You like this egg?
Yeah.
It's a little sugar. Yes. And this one, only vegetable. It's vegetable. You can eat. 木头哥来一个 ，try. Roll.
Chinese.
然后木头哥 ，Good.
It's good.
The vegetable. 在非洲啊，我跟你们说，他们是从来没有用这样的一个青菜的做法的，而且他们甚至都没有这个青菜。
Woo.
It's good.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yes. You try the mushroom, the black one.
Yes.
啊，你太棒了。Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, it's this way.
Good.
It's good. 这是宫爆鸡丁啊，让他来一个这个 chicken。其实我们发现他们学筷子的速度都挺快啊。可以的，真的很厉害。Yes. Good. A little spicy. You can spice nice. Yes. 跟大家讲这个番茄炒蛋 with rice together 的盖浇饭嘛。Try. 盖浇饭。Yes. His Chinese is better than you are, bro.
中国好吃。4 million.
4 million.
Oh,